Welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to discuss some DAX formulas, or we are going to discuss one use case, and that is to find the percentage of profit from discontinued subcategories. So of course, you might be knowing that, okay, if you have a product table and if it is in a star schema model, the product table will be containing the categories as well as the subcategories. So here you can see the product table is having dim product is having the category as well as the subcategory. So in this subcategory, we are having some categories that are discontinued, and we are having a flag, a column called discontinued flag, and you can see in this data view. So we are having one column that is called discontinued flag. So the discontinued items will be shown as Y and the normal items will be shown as N. So you can see here there are this much of discontinued items, discontinued subcategory. That means, for example, tables are discontinued. So like that, how the discontinued items are going to affect the profit of the company, we are going to analyze it. So if you go to the details, so how to find the discontinued items. So if you take a table and if you take the category wise, so discontinued, the total profit of discontinued is around 3,92,000, and for the continued ones, that means the normal ones, it is around 10,74,000. So we need to see that, okay, how much the percentage of discontinued items, how much is this going to affect the total profit. So for getting the discontinued item profit percentage, first of course what we will do, we can filter the product table with respect to Y, and after that you can take that and you can calculate the total profit with this filter. So when you filter, okay, of course we will be getting a table with respect to the flag Y, and from that table you can calculate the total profit. So obviously you will be getting this much of profit sum, that is 392.71 thousand. So of course after that, to get the percentage, of course you can divide this discontinued sum with the total profit, discontinued profit with the total profit. So you can do it in three steps, or otherwise you can do it one thing, you can just divide it, and in the numerator you can give the sumx function with the filter category, and in that sumx, of course the first argument will be the table name. In that table you can filter the table with respect to Y, and of course in the sumx, in the evaluation, you can give it as total profit. So that means these two functions, these two variable, or these two calculation are being done with the sumx itself, and after that in the denominator we can give it as total profit itself. Now we have the profit, we have the measure here, and in that measure we are having the profit. So we have given the total profit, and here of course I have created the table that contains total profit and discontinued flag. So now we will get the amount here, this discontinued profit, we can get it here. So only thing we can do it is we can take the profit here, that is total profit, and of course we have given the filter here. You can get the total profit here and you can filter the profit here. You can drag this discontinued flag and you can just select the Y itself, and this much of amount it has filtered and it has shown us, and you can change the visual name. You can rename it as discontinued profit. So now here we are going to get the percentage of this. So how we can do that? So we will create a new measure and we will name it as percentage of discontinued subcategories equals to, we can give it as divide, and the numerator we can use the sumx function, sumx, and here the table we can filter the table and filter the table with respect to Y, with respect to this discontinued flag. So filter, and the table name will be product, dim product. The filter function will be discontinued flag equals to. So that is a table. We got the table now. Now we need to give the expression. Expression is total profit. So we can give it as total profit. Now the numerator field is finished. Now we will give the denominator field, and denominator field is just total profits itself. And of course the alternate result we can give it as 0, and here it goes. We will check and see. In this card visual we will select and see, and of course it is 0.27, and we can give it as percentage here, and here we can see it as 26.76, and 26.76% is affecting the total profit. So we have solved the case. Hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.